Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make tiger nut drink with dates and coconut. So this is what is needed for this: dry tiger nut or fresh one, dates and coconut. Next, I'm going to wash the tiger nut and then soak it for 24 hours. So while washing it, I'm going to take off the ones that are spoiled. I'm going to soak it with warm water because I want it to look fresh the next day. So make sure you change the water every 5 to 6 hours, or better you put it in the fridge because you don't want it to ferment. So I'm just going to pour the dirty water and then add warm water and make sure it covers at the top. Next, I'm going to break the coconut, take it out from the shell, and then cut it into smaller sizes. Coconut contains healthy fatty acid. It helps to boost heart health. They are rich in copper and iron, which help form red blood cells, and also protect your skin, hair, and teeth. I'm going to cut it into smaller sizes and rinse it properly. See how fresh it is? Just like the one we buy in the market. This tiger nut is rich in nutrients. It improves digestion and also reduces blood sugar level. So tiger nut has a lot of benefits. So I'm going to sieve it out and then put it in my blender. Next, I'm going to wash my coconuts and add it in the blender as well. So I'm going to wash the dates as well and then take off the seeds, cut it into smaller pieces and add it in the blender as well. So make sure you take off the seed from the dates because you don't want to change your blender. The seed is very strong. It can damage the blender. That as well has its own benefits. It aids healthy bowel movement, reduce the risk of cancer, help fight diabetes. I'm going to cut it into smaller sizes and then put it in the blender as well. So next is to add water on the blender. I'm using warm water because I want the milk in the coconut to come out very well. Next, I'm going to separate the chaff and the milk with my filter. This is a healthy and nutritious drink. It is a perfect aphrodisiac for people with low sex drive in male and female. It will help boost your libido and make you last longer in bed. Further findings from people also say it helps with low sperm count, watery sperm, and quick ejaculation. If you are a breastfeeding mom or you want to increase your sexual performance, tiger nut drink is just the perfect drink for you. It will also help stimulate and produce more milk from your breast, which will help your baby grow stronger. And it is 100% natural, so no side effects at all. So I'm just going to squeeze it gently, separate the chaff from the milk, and then that is it. You can store it in the refrigerator and serve it cold. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment and share. And if you are new to my channel, click that subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. See you all on my next one. Bye.